something we've worked really hard to achieve, is a very high level of comfort and well-being. You should feel at home when you're in this vehicle. And a sense of calm, even if you're on an adventure deep in the forest, it's incredibly nice to step into a very cozy motorhome. The choice of materials in the Dovra, whether it's our leather, fabric, or the high-gloss laminate, is about achieving, firstly, a Scandinavian design that we personally like, but also something that's easy to keep clean. It's appealing in the sense that it's quite subtle and understated. There are no loud colors, and we don't have any chrome-plated taps. It's an incredibly straightforward product that makes it easy to feel at ease. Another step in user-friendliness is ensuring that 230-volt outlets, as well as USB-A and USB-C ports, are easily accessible. In this model I'm sitting in now, the Dovra Rig X610, we have 4 230-volt sockets, and in the Dovra Rig X750, we have 8 sockets. All of this is powered by an inverter from Victron delivering 3000 watt. With this Victron inverter, everything becomes easy. You don't need to have any knowledge of watts and amperes. Instead, you can bring whatever you want from your home and use it in your Dovra. You're not limited at all. Do you have a large coffee maker, or perhaps a powerful vacuum cleaner? Maybe even a powerful hairdryer? Just use it. We have also installed our own Wi-Fi. This way, you have Wi-Fi inside and outside of the vehicle.